Welcome back to the Project 2 Aero Shop and the Turbo Yamaha S21 build. Part of what I love most about doing builds like this is that it stretches you to go out and learn something new. With that in mind, I thought I'd share an example of how I went about the battery box for my plane. Just like any other project, I had a few critical design parameters to hit as I went along. First off, the battery sits up under the cowl lip, so I had to have a way to remove the battery without being able to go straight up. The second thing is that my firewall is embossed, so the spot where I wanted the battery isn't a flat surface. Lastly, I needed a way to keep the temp under control since it will live inside the cowl with that hot turbo engine. With those things in mind, I jumped into Fusion 360 and went to town. What you're seeing here is a recreation with generic measurements and only intended to give you an idea of the process that I used. By no means am I in a position to be teaching anyone how to do anything in Fusion, more so just to encourage you to go play with it and figure it out as you go. After creating the files and sending them off to SendCutSend, I Cerakoted the parts just like you saw me do in the rudder pedal video, so you won't see any of that process here. I'm not completely done with it just yet, since I still need to get the air to flow into it for cooling, so you'll just have to stay tuned for that in a later video. I'd love to know what you guys think about this battery box. I think you'd be hard-pressed to find another one that you could buy for less than what it cost me to make this one, all while still meeting my design criteria as well as this one does. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.